Good morning, students. Welcome back to another class. Today we are going to learn about different shapes. You are very familiar with this shape. This is a circle. A circle is a round shaped figure with no corners or edges. Let's take some examples of a circle. A bangle, a plate, a wheel, a coin. Square. Square is a two-dimensional figure with 4 sides and 4 corners. All the 4 sides of a square are equal. Let's take some examples of a square. A chessboard, a slice of a bread, a wall clock. Next shape is similar to a square, but it is called a rectangle. It is also a two-dimensional closed figure with 4 sides and 4 corners. The two opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Let's take few examples. A TV, a book, wall. Next figure is a triangle. A triangle is a closed figure with 3 sides and 3 corners. Let's take some examples. A sandwich, a slice of pizza, traffic signs. Oval is any curve that looks like an egg or an ellipse. Let's take some examples. An oval-shaped table, balloon, mirror. These are two-dimensional figures. In the next class, we'll study about the three-dimensional shapes. Now keep practicing. Thank you.